Hello, today I will be explaining the concepts of the Alka seltzer lava lamp lab. To start off the lab, we had a water bottle filled up 3/4 of the way with water. Water, also known as H2O, because it has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, is a compound. When the water was in the water bottle, it was still and transparent. The water has a low viscosity because, for example, honey flows very slowly, so that causes it to have a high viscosity. Since water flows quickly, it has a low viscosity. We then added oil to the water bottle to make it halfway full. The oil did not mix with the water because the oil is less dense than the water. Also, as I explained earlier, the water has a low viscosity, so since oil has a high viscosity, it is just like honey. We then added green food coloring that was opaque and sunk through the oil straight to the water. Finally, we added an Alka seltzer tablet that looks just like this to the bottle, and it created a suspension. The tablet also caused a chemical reaction. We also observed lots of bubbles rising from the Alka seltzer tablet into the oil. Oil and water are both solvents, and the Alka seltzer tablet is a solute. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.